Okay, we're back on working on our tubs now that we've got our hinges in the correct place and they work up and down. So what I've done is I made a template there and one that I'm going to put on this side and put it at my ride height, which is on the suspension. So this is where I plan on it riding, and it does go up and down. Actually, can't really do it with one arm, but it does. So I've cut that template. These are the long portions that I've cut for a template to make up this part. So basically I'm going to build the tubs out of cardboard, get them fitting up inside, and then use them to cut on that, so I only cut once. So stay tuned. Ought to be interesting. Okay, well, I've got both cardboard pieces cut. I had to redo that side. I didn't like how it fit. Basically made a duplicate from this side for that side. And that seemed to work. So I've got them both in there. I've got the bottoms cut out so they fit the frame. See, fits the frame. Then it also clears up in there, not by much, maybe 2.5 inches. So now what I have to figure out or measure, you can see over there, I don't have any tire clearance. Let me get up in there. So I don't have any tire clearance here. I need at least 2 inches from there, which I have, but I've got to cut up into that old wheel well, which also gets into my window. And then once I cut into that, now I've weakened this structure right here, and I've got to figure out how to make sure that that's braced. You know, things you have to think about. You can't just cut and then just put stuff in. When you cut something, you're cutting away structure, you're cutting away strength, and you've got to replace it somehow. So got to think about that. But this has to go so I can get the tubs in, because they're 2 inches out from the tire. So, lots of things to think about. See you in a bit. Hey, well, after playing with the tub templates, I realized I can't do these yet because I do not have the frame mounted to the body. And what is happening, moving it up and down, my trailer's moving, the frame's moving, and you know, the rear end keeps moving, everything's moving. So the tubs get mounted to the frame. So if I were to measure it at one point, and then go ahead and cut it, that could be the wrong measurement, and I don't want to do that. I want to do this one time. So probably what I'm going to end up doing, and I'll make this decision shortly, is either come back, because all my original body mounts are bad, and this floor that's in here, you know, that has the cross members, and then actually this cross member has to change and be risen up and all that stuff. So I'm either going to, well, mount it to what's there and lock it down. You can see I cut the holes out. I could put bolts in it, or I'm just going to put the new floor in it, make the new tunnel and all that, and then come back and build the tubs for it. So till then, this is the end of the tubs, and we'll see you after I get everything else done.